Every morning, independent operators open an AI chat box, stare at the blinking cursor, and type out the exact same instructions they used yesterday. This diagram illustrates the daily cost of that repetition. Writing prompts from scratch turns a simple task into a staggered 45-minute scramble. Executing a proven template cuts that entire process down to 8 minutes. Solopreneurs and small business owners use AI 3 to 4 times a week for content creation and administrative tasks. Yet many remain locked in a cycle of manual, inefficient setup. The solution is a custom AI prompt library. This is a searchable database of your highest performing instructions, organized so you never have to write them a second time. High-level operators do not possess advanced coding degrees. They distinguish themselves by engineering systems that guarantee their personal execution speed. For this system to function, it must pass one strict metric: the 10-second retrieval threshold. Looking at this flowchart, we see the psychological friction trap. If finding the right prompt takes longer than 10 seconds, the system fails. You will abandon the search and default to writing from scratch. You do not need expensive software to meet this metric. Free, simple tools like Notion, Google Docs, or Obsidian are highly recommended for solo operators. A fast search function, like a simple Control-F, outperforms complex visual organization. Deeply nested folders create friction. Instant keyword search eliminates it. Once the repository is set up, the daily habit reduces to 3 steps. Find the prompt in under 10 seconds, copy it, and paste it into the AI interface to customize. A premium software stack means nothing if retrieval takes 30 seconds. The deliberate design of your daily workflow outranks the perceived quality of the tool you use. A prompt written with highly specific, rigid details cannot be reused. It is essentially dead data. To make an instruction scalable, we apply modular variable architecture. We start with a static sentence and isolate details that restrict its use, like exact program, audience, and tone. We replace them with adaptable placeholders. The structure stays locked, allowing the prompt to pivot instantly to any new product or demographic. Every savable prompt must include 5 strict components: the role the AI should play, the precise task, the variables we built, the constraints, and output format. Constraints are highly specific parameters. They dictate the exact word count, format limits, and critically, what the AI must avoid generating. Converting static details into variables multiplies the exact utility of your library. You extract more output from a single structure without increasing the number of prompts you have to manage. Implementing this system requires a 4-week roadmap. It costs $0 and relies entirely on committing to a new daily habit. Week 1 is audit and collect. Review your past conversations in ChatGPT or Claude and extract the instructions that yielded accurate results. The target is strictly 10 to 15 proven prompts. Completing the initial collection is more important than achieving a perfect, comprehensive list. This database row layout shows the required metadata for your collection: a short descriptive name, a broad category, keyword tags, and a usage note. The usage note is a single sentence explaining exactly when and why the prompt is effective. Without it, you will forget its intended purpose within weeks. Week 2 focuses on organizing those 15 prompts by category. Look for emerging patterns in the tasks you execute. Most operators will require 4 to 6 core buckets. These typically cover content creation, email marketing, admin operations, and social media. Week 3 is when you migrate your top 10 prompts into the flexible, bracketed template format we examined earlier. Finally, Week 4 is integration. Finalize your search mechanism to ensure you consistently meet the 10-second retrieval rule. One focused week of building the structure eliminates the cumulative hours wasted on repetitive ad hoc typing. The most common point of failure for these databases is indiscriminate saving. Capturing every instruction leads to bloat and eventual collapse. To prevent this, apply the reuse test to every new entry. Ask explicitly, will I need to execute this exact prompt again next week? If an instruction served one highly specific, unrepeatable situation, you skip it. It does not matter how impressive the AI's output was. This chart outlines the 15-minute monthly maintenance habit. You must archive unused prompts, update stale instructions, and add 2 to 3 new entries. Archiving prompts untouched for 30 days is a mandatory step to protect your retrieval speed. A prompt library is an active operational engine. It must reflect the exact tasks you execute today, not the workflows you used 6 months ago. The purpose of this architecture is straightforward: reduce your setup time so you can leverage the actual output. Start the audit today. Open your AI history, identify 10 successful prompts, and pull them into a single document. Take ownership of your daily operations by deliberately stripping the friction out of your workflow. A maintained, variable-driven prompt library bridges the gap between the processing speed of an AI and the distinct value of your personal brand.